Welcome back everyone to another trade review. We are about 2 weeks away from the new year and the markets are starting to get a little bit tricky. These next few weeks are going to be a little bit more difficult to trade. I'll see how I handle those, but for now I took some trades today, 2 to be exact, and if I'll do any trades in the PM session later, then I'll make sure to include them in tomorrow's video. There was one winning trade that was pretty much break even, made like 70 bucks there. I mean, it's a win, but it can't be counted as a break even, I think. And then one normal size loss, so I'm down about $200 for the day. But yeah, let's get into the trades. I actually decided to stick with ES for the rest of these few weeks because NQ is pumping through the all-time highs these last few weeks, and it's difficult to tell where it's going to move these next few days. The overall bias should be bullish since in the end of December price always likes to rally up a little bit before retracing then the beginning of the year. But when price is so high in a premium, you don't really want to buy either. So a little bit of a tricky season, like I said before. That's why I wanted to take a look at ES for these next few weeks, because ES is actually pretty far away from the all-time highs, as you can see, and it's still offering some opportunity for some nice bullish moves. And I decided to take one of these bullish opportunities and went in for a long off of this fair value gap here and this volume imbalance. After we took out some liquidity with the news, we had flash PMI today at 9:45, and that's where I entered on a long. Took my first partial on this high, my second partial on the 5-minute fair value gap here, and then price stopped me out for break even after forming this swing low. I would have probably added here after it formed the swing low, but I decided not to add, and that's why I moved my stop loss up higher, because the logic is really if this swing low doesn't hold, then it's gonna go lower. And I'm pretty happy with the stop loss placement there because it stopped me out of what would have been some loss, instead ending up with a small win. And then price created pretty much equal lows down here and just rallied up higher again and ended up taking out my take profit just hours later pretty much. And ever since then just started consolidating, which is why I'm doing this video right now. I don't really want to until it's night for me, because 3 p.m. would be 9 p.m. for me. So I don't really want to record a video at 10 or 9 p.m. So I just decided to do it now. And then if I do a PM trade, I'll let you guys know in the next video tomorrow. The other trade that I decided to take was on NQ, and it ended up being a loser because I was looking to sell, and I guess that was the wrong idea. Because I mean, we took all-time highs and we had London lows down here and equal lows and new week opening gap, and we broke market structure to the downside. But I guess you don't really want to short in December, so I learned that the hard way. But from now on, I don't think I'm gonna enter on a short that easily anymore. Entered off of this fair value gap right here after we broke structure here, formed an order block there. It looks like a nice trade, but I guess this is just peak seasonality for you and just market bias, I guess. I mean, with Trump stepping into office real soon, I guess market is already anxiously preparing. But let me know how you guys' day went. If you guys are going to be trading at all during these last 2 weeks, I think I'll still take this last week and then I'll see about the next week after. And I'll decide on the fly if I want to keep trading or not. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Ciao.